everyone, my name is Anna Bean and I am on a mission. I have a new bundle for us today, yay! And it is bright and colorful and so much fun. This one is in honor of an event that I'm attending at the end of this month for Texas Planner Babes. It's a planner convention and Teresa Collins is the headliner speaker. How exciting is that? And if you can't attend, it's in San Antonio, Texas. And if you can't attend in person, they have a virtual option as well. So I put together this bundle with all the Texas Planner Babes in mind, but the Happy Meal Club, you guys, you get first dibs. RSVP to this video to make sure that you get early access. It releases on Friday. The purchase options are the same as the last couple of bundles. You can buy the full bundle for $35, bundle with my sticker book for $45, or just the stickers a la carte for $20. So yay! And of course, it has a charity, 10% of the profits. I was thinking about this, and I love Mexico. Like, Mexico means a lot to me. I used to run a team of people in Mexico that ran a lot of our customer service and worked on our star rating and feedback with customers, and I just fell in love with them. I went to visit them in Mexico all the time. Incredible people. I love the culture. So this time, one of my very best friends, Alex, in fact, I want to get my phone, hold on, has a cat sanctuary. And she is just amazing. She loves kitty cats so much. She sent me tons of information about it. They are on Facebook. I will link it below. So you can follow them on Facebook and really see her heart. Okay, why is my phone? I'm not sure what's going on. Oh, there we go. Okay, I asked her, I said, what would you like for me to talk about? She said, just that we are no kill and everyone gets fixed in their shots. We need money for the expansion for sure. I have 24 cats currently. We adopted 4 out this past week, which is great news. And look, she sent some pictures. I don't know if you can really see. Yeah, there you go. But they are building. And she is crazy cat lady. For sure. And she loves that. She calls herself that. Look at that sweet little kitty cat. She also told me that they're making, oh, look, yeah, they're making extra space for the mommies, the mama kitty cats when they have babies. And she's one of my closest friends. Like, she's one of my very best friends. She's from East Texas, but moved to Laredo. Look at the babies. Oh, sweet, sweet kitties. This is her heart's passion. So look at that. Look what they're building. Like, they are serious. They are so serious about taking care of these kitty cats. She also gave me some more information. So if you would, just bear with me a moment. I want to share this with you because I think it's so special. When we moved to Laredo, I found myself needing to do something to help cats. I found Diasa P. and asked if I could volunteer with the 4 kitties she had in a cage that was originally supposed to be a chicken coop. I started coming every day and asked if I could make the enclosure bigger and better. We had another enclosure donated to us, so we moved the cats out of their tiny cage and moved them to the bigger cage. From there, I asked if I could start a sanctuary because I had so many people asking for help with kittens and cats. The income for the locals is very low, and the education to spay and neuter is just starting to take hold here. I started Soft Paws in December 2021. We had a 10 by 12 pad of concrete poured and enclosed the area. Jason, which is her husband and a dear friend, made all the catio items. I guess instead of patio, catio, how cute. And scratching post. We went from 4 cats to over 23 now. We have adopted out 12 since January and have fixed over 40 cats with all my money and now donations from US, Canada, and German citizens. There you have it. Yes, I'm a crazy cat lady and proud of it. Oh, isn't that so sweet? Yeah, so I will definitely link more information below. And guys, she was here just a couple of weeks ago visiting, and I went ahead and prepaid her. I went ahead and sent her home with $100, which is going to be, 10% of part of the profits from this bundle, and whatever's left, I'll just send to her directly. But yeah, so we've already prepaid the profits from this bundle. And you know what? It just makes my heart feel so good to know that we're making a difference through the love of our stickers. And like I always say, is that I don't need to twist your arm to buy stickers. I'm not doing this to pull at your heartstrings. I'm doing this because I want to make a difference in the world with you through stickers. Because we don't need an excuse to buy stickers. We love stickers. And wait until you see these. Okay, I'm excited. Calm down, Anna. Let's get into this. Here we go. Of course, super cute packaging. I thought it was very Fiesta, very fun. I see some Post-it notes. Oops. See the stickers yet. Yay. Oh, how fun. How fun indeed. Move this out of the way. Okay. So, oh guys, look. If you purchased my Stars and Stripes bundle, which I do still have just a few left, and you can use those stickers for Memorial Day too. Look, this bag. I love picking out the bags and all this. This is part of my favorite part, is just getting all these pieces together. Look, I got us some that's even bigger than the Stars and Stripes one. And I thought this big bag was big. And I was like, ooh. And I love pink. This color, bright color pink. So how fun. Even a bigger bag. And I do this just for variety, but also, you know, the consumer experience. That way you can store bigger stuff in this. You can, you know, re-gift it, put it in a gift. Okay, let's move this out of the way. All right, so the diamond pin this time is this really neat green color. It screams Fiesta to me. You know, it's kind of avocado-y, and of course it's our big diamonds. Just the same quality and feels good. I love it. I'm having so much fun collecting these, and so are my friends. All right, the washi cutter is different this time. You know, it's normally filled with glitter that coordinates somehow with the bundle. This is like little beads. It kind of reminded me more of like, I don't know, like a party, like candy, you know, like candy. Like you could just open it up and eat it, but don't do that. No, because it has a very sharp point for cutting washi tape, which you already know the drill. You're familiar. These are fun, super fun to collect as well for like Instagram pictures. And at some point, I'm probably going to run out of colors and we'll move on to something else. But for now, I want them all. Speaking of all, I want all the pin loops. And I have also been including these in like cards, like Happy Mail cards. Put a stamp on a card and, you know, you can send just a little bit of love. So if you end up getting one that's not your favorite color or you won't use, then pass it along to someone and bring a smile to their face. So this will be, there's only 2 different color options with this one. So it's orange and a surprise. You'll see if you get the surprise or not. And of course, washi tape. The washi tape is all different colors, all different patterns. And they're all my favorites. I love them all. So I want to collect every single one of them. But this one is like a blue and a light blue polka dot. Super fun. All right. And Post-it notes. Because, you know, I love Post-it notes so much. And I can never have enough. When I ordered these, I was concerned. I was like, man, I wonder if the quality is going to be any good. So I just went ahead and pulled the trigger anyways. And they're adorable. They're maybe not the most functional because they're so cute, but you could write like a little tiny note. But that's why I included a brightly colored, just plain Post-it note for function and something cute for us. And this comes in like, I don't know, 12 different designs, and they're all adorable. All right. And you know what my favorite is. It's going to include paper clips. And look at this paper clip container. Isn't it so sweet? I loved this one for summer in the summer bundle, which I only have 2 of these left. 2 summer bundles left. And look how cute. And then I found the little candy. I love our collection, our little collection that we're growing together. It's so much fun. All right, let's see what's in here. There's one that's just too cute. He's got to go last. I don't even want you to see him yet. But of course, some swirls in some new colors. These are not any colors that I've had in my other bundles. They're brand new colors. And that is so pretty. And these are great, and they're super functional. And then, look, music. I always, you think of music with the Fiesta. Of course, you got to have music. It's a party. So these are just super cute. Little music. Treble clefs. Yeah. And that's so cute. And then look, a cactus, of course. Dun, 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 dun. Look, it's a lizard. Now, I know some of you might not like lizards, so you can just pass this along to a friend if you don't like the lizard. I love him. And when I ordered him, I was so concerned. I was like, man, I don't know if he's going to fit. Should I just not include the lizard and, take that risk? And I was like, you know what? I love him. I'm just going to go ahead and bite the bullet and do it. And he fits perfect. I was so thrilled. Absolutely thrilled. How cute. All right. Yay, fun. I hope you enjoy these videos. Please let me know in the comments. Please say something, anything. I would love to hear from you. And every time I ask you guys to subscribe, when I take a moment and say, please subscribe right now, hit the button, you always do it. So thank you each time. I do ask, you in return respond, and I cannot thank you enough. It makes me so truly, truly, truly grateful. So incredibly grateful. All right, so now for the stickers. Look how pretty. Very Mexican themed stickers. I just did a spread with this grouping, which I will flip through right quick. These are on paper. This is the first time I'm including paper in my bundle because I wanted the paper, I wanted the sticker color to just be more vibrant and to really stand out so they looked better on the paper than on the clear. And tons of these little strips with the flowers. These all match. And these little these little circle flowers that kind of look like Mexican tiles. And then this banner, look. And then some of these tiles are just little, these are little versions of these big ones. And these stickers are a little bigger than normal. I wanted them to really stand out, but they'll work in any spread. In fact, I think I'm going to do one in my dashboard. And I did one in my Big Happy Planner, and I'll show that to you here in a second. Look. Oh, and I'll link the video down in this email as well so you can see my spread. Look how pretty. So pretty. And look, boxes. I included some boxes this time with some bullet points, like checklist types. And they're the exact same but miniature. And they're so pretty. The camera's not quite picking up on how bright these colors are, but they are absolutely, let's see if you can tell a little better. So very pretty. Super fun colors. Okay, I want to show you the spread real quick. I just finished filming it. It's not even in my planner yet. But I'm in love with how it turned out. And even with this spread having so many stickers on this spread with the banners, that was just that set, the first set with the boxes that I used. And I still have so many stickers left. So just a bunch of stickers left after all these stickers. So it's a lot of stickers. Okay, let's keep going here. This banner is so beautiful. And actually, they're vertical so that I could put more on the page. Really, they just fit better when they're vertical. You might want to actually use them horizontal because it really represents the Mexican banner that way. And then this is my quality control planner. I use this planner to stick down all my stickers as I make them, check the cut lines and all that good stuff. Look how cute. Now, like, I wouldn't normally do this on a spread where I've got the big banner and the little banner, but I just use this so that I can, check the size, cut lines, just make sure it all works. And these colors match everything in the kit perfectly because I changed the colors of the original colors. But look, yeah, here they are, horizontal. I just took a pen, and this is really not a great job. I just really quickly kind of did what I envisioned with a little ink pen, put a little bow on this end, a little bow on this end, da da da. And then there's tiny ones, these little tiny ones. I love them. Look, and in a classic size, you've got enough to go all the way across. And then also you could use these for some decorative boxes. Oh, I think they're fun. They're so fun. They're pretty, pretty. Now, all right, so up next, this one almost didn't make the cut. When I printed it out on the clear, I was like, yeah, I'm not in love with it. I don't know. And then I was like, well, let me see what it looks like. And because I know I wanted some cactus, some potted cactus in this kit. And once I put it on paper, I was in love. I was like, it's gorgeous. The colors are vibrant and beautiful. Looks like a Mexican blanket. I love the overlays. Oh, that reminds me. I want to tell you about this real quick. Back to these boxes. I made them this size or a little bigger than a normal size bullet point so that you can redate your planner. Oh, here we go. This is all the stickers you get and for the boxes. But look, I made them to where you can cover up and redate an old planner, or just even to make it cute and put little numbers in there. So I wanted to show you that real quick. That's why they're really much bigger than a normal bullet point, but they're still great for bullet points as well. These bullet points are super fun. They match perfectly because I actually created them from this art. I took a chunk and cut it out and then made these bullet points. These are on the diagonal. At first I was putting them down like this and I was like, ooh, they would look so pretty on the diagonal. So I really like how this turned out, and just some fun decorations as well. And that's how many is in this portion of the kit. All right, so the very last piece of it. Gotta have party, you gotta have, you know, some guitars and a piñata and confetti and streamers. So that is what we have here, and wait until you see them on paper right here. Colors are gorgeous, and look how many stickers. This is how many that's in this part of the bundle, and they are so much fun, super bright. I love them. So there we go. There we have it. The Fiesta Bundle. Look at those. The colors are so pretty. Yeah, it's super fun. This sticker page took me forever because I kept having to redo the offset, because when I pick it up off the page, it's so skinny that it would tear, and I was like, I can't do that. You know, for that quality control, it took a while, but it's absolutely worth it. I love the little confetti pieces, and they're, you know, little clusters of confetti, and then all the streamers. So fun, so fun. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you like these stickers and will enjoy planning with them, just to put something super fun in your planner. Feel free to reach out to me with any comments or questions. I think I covered everything. I love you guys. Thank you so much for being a part of my Happy Mail and a part of my life. Thank you for all of the encouraging words and all your posts on Instagram. Please always tag me. It's like little presents, and I love if your account is, I've learned that if your account is private, I can't share it to my stories, but if it's not private, I love sharing your tags in my stories. I am trying to get better at Instagram. I am getting better at Instagram. I'm confessing that. Speak those things that are not as though they are. You make my heart so happy. Thank you, and I pray that you have a wonderfully blessed day. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.